What a peaceful rainy morning. Even on rainy days, the garden is so beautiful. Let's wake everyone. Today's breakfast will be extra special. Good morning, Hannah. Good morning, Ren.
Good morning, Grandma. Yes, let's make breakfast.
That sounds wonderful. A clean home always feels warmer on a rainy day. The rain makes everything smell so fresh.
Look, Grandma, I'm helping too.
The rain makes our vegetables healthy. Fresh mushrooms always appear after a gentle rain. The forest shares its gifts with those who are patient. The mountain stream keeps every harvest fresh and pure. Nature gives us everything we need. This will make a fine fire. Every ingredient deserves care. That's the secret to a comforting meal. Fresh vegetables, forest mushrooms, and a little patience. Every bowl is made with love. Just a little seasoning is enough. The fresh harvest already brings its own wonderful flavor. But it needs one last fresh touch. These little herbs may look simple, but they give the soup its heart.
I'm home. And it smells even more wonderful than the rain outside.
The whole house feels warmer when you cook, Mother.
Careful, Ren. It's made with love, so give it a moment to cool.